Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to install an air conditioner. Firstly, open the window and lift the bottom sash as high as it can go. With help, place AC in the window entered and balanced. Then lower the bottom sash to secure the unit, ensuring the flange is against the windsill. Insert screws through the AC stop flange into the window sash to prevent movement. Attach L-shaped clips to secure the bottom sash or use wood strips if clips are incompatible. Now determine if your window requires an external support bracket for safety. If necessary, install the bracket according to local regulations. Pull out the side panels to cover the gaps and screw or clip them in place as instructed by the manufacturer. Install foam insulation around the unit to block air and moisture, then fill gaps between the upper and lower sashes with foam filters. Finally, plug the AC into the grounded outlet, turn it on and set your desired temperature, then check for vibrations or leaks. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.